Welcome to our exploration of female ejaculation, a topic often shrouded in mystery and misconceptions. Did you know that many myths surround this fascinating aspect of women's health? Often misunderstood, female ejaculation has been a subject of intrigue and misinformation. Today, we aim to unravel these myths and provide a clear, science-based understanding. It's time to address the misconceptions and replace them with facts. Studies suggest a significant percentage of women experience this phenomenon. By the end of our journey, you'll be equipped with surprising statistics and scientific insights that challenge preconceived notions. Join us as we delve into the complexities of female ejaculation, exploring both its physiological and emotional dimensions. Let's set the stage for a deeper understanding of this captivating topic and its place in women's health. Stay with us as we transition into defining what female ejaculation truly is from a scientific perspective. Let's dive into what female ejaculation truly is from a scientific perspective. Female ejaculation is a normal physiological response involving the release of fluid from the Squirt glands located near the urethra during sexual arousal or orgasm. This fluid is distinct from urine, both in composition and purpose. To differentiate female ejaculation from other bodily functions, it's essential to understand its unique properties. Unlike urine, the fluid from female ejaculation is often clear or milky and contains enzymes like prostate-specific antigen, PSA, and glucose. These components highlight its distinct physiological role. The process involves the engorgement of the glands, followed by the release of fluid through the urethra. This phenomenon can occur with varying frequency and intensity among women, contributing to diverse experiences. Understanding this physiological process not only demystifies female ejaculation, but also emphasizes its significance within women's health. By exploring this topic, we can better appreciate the intricate workings of the female body. Next, we'll explore why female ejaculation occurs, delving into its evolutionary and emotional aspects. Join us as we continue to uncover the fascinating science behind this natural phenomenon. Why does female ejaculation occur? It's a question many are curious about, yet few fully understand. This phenomenon isn't just a byproduct of human sexuality. It may have deeper evolutionary roots. Some scientists suggest that female ejaculation could have developed as a means of enhancing reproductive success. But beyond biology, there are emotional and psychological dimensions to consider. For many women, the experience is tied to feelings of intense intimacy and emotional release. These aspects highlight the complex interplay between our bodies and minds, underscoring the importance of understanding this natural process. As we delve into the reasons behind female ejaculation, it becomes clear that it is a multifaceted experience. By embracing both the biological and emotional components, we gain a fuller picture of what this means for women's health. Now that we've explored the purpose behind this fascinating aspect of human biology, let's shift our focus to who experiences it. This diversity is key to appreciating the range of human sexuality and understanding how female ejaculation fits into the broader spectrum of women's health. Not all women experience female ejaculation in the same way. It's a phenomenon as diverse as the women themselves. Studies show that a significant percentage of women have experienced female ejaculation, yet the prevalence varies widely across different populations. What makes it even more fascinating is the diversity in these experiences. For some, it's a consistent occurrence, while for others it may be rare or even a one-time event. This diversity highlights the unique physiological and emotional landscapes of women's bodies. Understanding this spectrum is crucial to appreciating the broad scope of female sexuality. As we explore these experiences, we not only embrace their diversity, but also acknowledge the need for more awareness and acceptance. Now that we've examined who might experience this phenomenon, let's place it within the larger framework of women's health and discuss its significance and implications. Stay tuned as we continue to explore this intriguing aspect of women's wellness. Finally, let's see where female ejaculation fits in the broader context of women's health. For too long, this topic has been clouded by myths and misconceptions, obscuring its true significance. From a scientific standpoint, female ejaculation is a natural physiological process that can be a part of healthy sexual functioning. It is not an anomaly, but rather an integral aspect of some women's experiences, contributing to their emotional and psychological well-being. Understanding its place in women's health allows us to debunk persistent myths and reinforce scientific facts. Contrary to popular belief, female ejaculation is not harmful, nor does it indicate a medical problem. It's essential to approach this subject with an open mind, acknowledging its role in enhancing sexual health and emotional fulfillment. By contextualizing female ejaculation within women's health, we emphasize the importance of scientific exploration and medical accuracy. This understanding empowers women to embrace their bodies without stigma or shame. As we conclude this segment, reflect on how knowledge can dispel myths and promote a more informed perspective on women's health. Stay with us as we wrap up with a final reflection on what we've uncovered and explore further opportunities to deepen our understanding. We've uncovered the science and emotion behind female ejaculation, unraveling myths and unveiling truths. As we conclude, consider the insights gained today. Reflect on how this phenomenon fits within the broader spectrum of women's health. It's a journey of discovery that doesn't end here. We invite you to delve deeper, explore further, and question more. Continue your quest for knowledge and share what you've learned. Let's empower each other with understanding and curiosity. Join us in future explorations as we continue to unravel the mysteries of the human body. Thank you for being part of this educational journey. Until next time, keep exploring.